So first you log into your Moniepoint account, you press on phone number, then you look by the downside, you press on change my phone number, you press on it. Then they will give you three options over here to use. Always use your account number, press on account number and continue. Then put the account number here and you continue. Now the phone number that got stolen or lost, put it here. Then after inserting continue, then they'll ask you to verify the business owner's face. Then you verify her face or your face. So you wait, then you press on yes, use this. Here after verification, they will do some checks and they will ask you to select PIN or password. So always use your transaction PIN and continue. So insert the PIN here, and after inserting the PIN, yes, okay, inserting the PIN, they will ask you to put your new phone number. Insert the new phone number and press on continue. So let's roll it. Yeah, continue. Then an OTP will be sent to the new phone number. Then you insert the OTP here. Let's see. Yes, 316. Next. So now, and after this, the phone number has been changed immediately and to start working. So do like this video, drop a comment and subscribe to the YouTube channel for more helpful tips like this. Peace out.